Hi, today my mom and I are going to be demonstrating how to make dolma't chalama, also known as stuffed cabbage leaves.
Dice your herbs very finely.
Before dicing the meat, you want to remove the excess fat. This is approximately the size of the diced meat. Be sure to wash and strain your rice before adding to the mixture. As you can see, you can only fit one cabbage in at a time. Be sure to place the core down when you boil it.
I've added all the spices, now we just have to stir them in.
Once the oil boils, go ahead and pour it into the mixture and stir. Be sure to line your pot with some of the larger leaves so that the dolma does not stick.
After the cabbage has been boiling for about 10 minutes, flip it over. Gently separate the leaves with a fork or a wooden spoon. You will eventually be discarding the heart of the cabbage because the leaves are too small to roll.
As you can see, Mom has taken over.
شكلت أنا طرق تتختلون ميدالة أنا قطعت أخليم برفتلون منه لبي شرموخة خرطة متت قيمة غلخة.
Okay, what my mom was saying is that you want to separate the larger leaves into smaller sections by removing the larger spines so that they're easier to roll. She makes it look very easy. It takes a lot of practice. Once rolled, you want to start lining them up in the pot. Unlike the grape leaves, the cabbage leaves will not be uniform, so you can't follow the same method each time when rolling your dolma. You just have to come up with creative ways to roll it up the best you can. Mom would not approve of this one because she would say it's too big, but we can't all be as good as she is.
No good. You're not doing a good job, honey.
No respect.
Alexis, you see? What's she doing? Oh my God.
I'm trying.
But have to do it the right way, honey.
Jura, huh?
Yeah.
أنا قطعنا التاوي سوري بس.
براتها بتأدخل.
Hers are always better. You can either tear these larger spines by hand like my mom does, or use a knife, which I think is easier. Once the sauce comes to a boil, you're going to pour it over your dolma. And for that, I'm going to let you watch my mom do it.
That's my wonderful husband calling, but he's going to have to wait because the dolma can't.
The dolma has been cooking for an hour and a half, and it should be cooked, but to be sure, we will sample some. And now for the final test. Is Mom going to approve? Mama?
It's good. Very good.
Kids?
Go ahead, Nina.
You already went ahead. It's good. And now we have a new person to dolma. She doesn't know how to eat it yet. Pick it up and put it in her mouth. Usually tastes better with the filling. Is it good? All right. This concludes our demonstration.
Mom, needs yogurt.
I thought you would never ask.